Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for specific products or narrow down your search on the Redbubble application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the search icon down below. Here you can use the search bar if you have a specific product in mind that you would like to search for, or you can also click on one of these categories that you can see right here according to your preferences. So I am going to click on masks, and here you can narrow down your search by clicking on the relevant icon. So here you can find the results of your search, and if you are interested in purchasing a mask, you have to click on the picture itself or the product itself, then scroll down and you can add to your cart or put it to your favorites and purchase it later on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.